Hey man, got them things for retail. YouTube family. What's going on with y'all today, man? Glad to have y'all back with your boy once again, man. Today we got yet another unboxing, and this is a special one for your boy because, as I said in the beginning, man, got them for retail, man. And this is a shoe that I was tempted, getting ready to pay resale for, but hey, I just got that confirmation on my phone, and I was like, yes, sir, I needed them, man. So hey, big shout out to whoever sent me these shoes, man. Thank you for selecting me, man. But anyways, man, before we get into it, if this is y'all first time stopping through checking out any of the family's content, or you are a returning visitor, man, glad to have y'all with us. And big shout out to everybody that's been rocking out with the fam and the OGs, the newcomer, hey, everybody, man. We have been growing. We on schedule now. We have been growing a lot lately, man. So I thank each and every one of you all for that, man. But if this is y'all first time or y'all returning and y'all not yet a part of the fam, go ahead and join the fam. We have y'all by smashing that subscribe button. Road to 100K, man. We on the way to that. We are approaching. We actually just hit 53K, man. So hey, appreciate y'all, man. Thank each and every one of y'all for rocking out with your boy, man. Make sure you drop a like as well as a comment down below, 100 emoji, anything, man. Drop a comment down below, and I have not forgot about y'all, man. I will be getting back to all my comments, old videos, new videos, all that stuff, man. So y'all just bear with me, but I'm gonna be returning those, getting back to y'all in those comments. But anyways, man, let's go ahead and check out what your boy picked up that he wanted for retail. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Hey, you my guy, man. Hey, thank you for selecting me. Thank you. Thank you. Bang! Woo! Woo! Y'all see the vibes. Y'all already know what we got in here. You already, like, ain't no more disguising. Y'all already know what's in the box, man. If you know, you know, man. I'ma guess that this is the right way that I'm supposed to open this box. Let me get my box cutter real quick and let's pop it open, man. Let's pop it open. I am ready to see these shoes, man. Like I said, the previous model of this shoe, I don't know if I said it, but the previous model of this shoe did numbers. They're still going for a lot right now, and look, my guess was right because I did open it the right side up, man. So popping it open, let's see what your boy done picked up, man. Ooh, I got them for retail, man. Ain't nothing like getting a shoe that you want for retail, bro. Nothing like that feeling, man. But yes, man, I got them. Got them. That's just my thumbnail, man. But got them things, man. Taking out the box. Taking out the box. Like I said, I already know y'all already know what it is. It is a brown box. Yeezy box, to be specific. When we flip it over, oh, bang! We got 700. So, I mean, if you know, you know, man. Y'all know what 700 recently released, man. And, got them guys, man. But, taking a look at the size tag, it reads Yeezy Boost 700, size 9.5. I do go half size up on all my 700s. But, the color blocking is BR blue, and then it's repeated. So that's pretty much it, man. Take a look at it real quick. Show y'all that size and tag label. That's it right there. And this is the first time for your boy, man. I ain't seen these yet. I haven't seen them nowhere in hand. You know, I only seen pictures. But sliding this open real quick. Let me get up close. Man. Slide that open, and then you got that light cell looking paper, and then once we reveal that, we got bang, the Yeezy 700 bright blues.
Yeah, Jay making movies. Yeah, swap it out, scene, don't shoot it. Sauce with the drip, extra groovy. Yeah. Jordan ones cost more than your Gucci. No, plus I doubled up, shot it, so sue me. You can say I'm in my bag, no Louis. Greatness in my jeans, no Chewy.
Okay, I can dig it. It look kind of big. I don't know why it look kind of big, man. But hey, anyway, bang! Here they are, man. The Yeezy 700 bright blue joints, man. Got them on deck and in the collection for retail, man. But yes, man, here they go right here, man. First glimpse, man, they are dope, man. I have grown to love 700s, man. They actually might be my favorite Yeezy silhouette, man. It has surpassed the 350s for me. I guess it's because I got 350'd out, but I do see them now trying to oversaturate the market a little bit with the 700s. I need them to slow down so that we can appreciate the silhouette a little more, you know what I'm saying? But they starting to come out with a lot more colors. I think we have another colorway on the way right now. So I mean, slow it down, don't OD on it, you know what I'm saying? But here they go, y'all. Just a quick look at them. This is not a review or anything, so you know, I'm gonna just give y'all a quick overview and first look at them. This is the unboxing of them, but it is dope, man. I like how Yeezy, Kanye, they put colors together that's not really supposed to go together and make it work, man, because you got your blues on here, you got your oranges, you got your green, like, you know what I'm saying? It's dope though. It's very dope, you know, and it can be offset, you know what I'm saying? Like, believe it or not, you can wear this shoe with quite a few different things. You don't have to, you know, you don't have to spot on match it, which I am infamous for, you know, but you don't have to do that with these. So I do see the 3 stripes right there on the side. I don't know if y'all can see it. You probably can right there. And I do not know right now if they are 3M. As I said, I just unboxed it, so I will check it out. It does look, though, if I had to guess, I would say yes, it is 3M, and you guys will see that right there on the screen whether it is or isn't 3M. But yeah, man, these, hey, dope addition to the collection, man. And the model before this was the Yeezy 700 Suns, which I did pull out like yesterday. I wore those yesterday, and hey, I'm loving my Suns, man. I did do a lace swap on my Suns. Check that out right there, man. You know, your boy did the yellow lace swap on them, and I do have the reviewing on feet to that, so you can check that out after you check out this video. I'll go ahead and link it down below in the description for y'all to check out. But should I do a review and on feet to these, man? Y'all want to see that, man? Let me know. Hey, y'all know the lucky number, man. The lucky number is 1,000 likes, man. If y'all give me 1,000 likes on this video, we'll do a review on feet, throw on an outfit, lace swap, you know, all that good stuff. You know, the regular, the norm that we do over here, man. But here we have them, man, the Yeezy 700 bright blues, and first thoughts of them, man, they are dope, man. I love 700s, man. 700s is my new favorite Yeezy for right now, until they give us 1,000,001 colors of this like they did with the 350s, and then I'm just all 700 out. But we gonna stick with these for right now and say that, hey, this is my favorite Yeezy, man. But let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on these. Did y'all hit for these? Would y'all pay resale for these? I want to say resale for these is around 300 to 350 depending on sizes, you know what I'm saying? But they dope, man. I know it definitely has a 3M hit right there on that lace holder in the front right there, as well as up top, you know what I'm saying? Those lace holders, they both are 3M, so I can say that. I know that for a fact. But dope, man. It does have the same exact outsole as the 700 Suns that we were just talking about. But yeah, man, hey, glad to have these for retail, because I would have paid resale for them, because this is a shoe that I was eyeing for a minute, man. So big shout out to the Adidas Confirm that, man. Hey, don't sleep on them. Make sure you enter all your raffles for any shoe, because who knows, man. You know, if you don't fill it out, you'll get the same results as not filling it out. Like, that's the worst that could happen, basically. The worst that could happen is you not get it, but you'll never know what you can get if you don't try. So, you know what I'm saying? Like the lottery, you can't win if you don't play. So, hey, go ahead and try your luck. Hey, I hit on these. I hit on the bread 350s. So I might start entering more confirmed raffles, man. But that's it for this one. Yeezy 700 bright blues. Your boy's checking out. 1,000 likes. We will throw them on feet, lace swaps, outfit, all that good stuff. So till the next time, man, your boy Jay is checking out with these joints. So I'm gone, man. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.
Jay making movies. Yeah. Swap it out, sling, gon' shoot it. Sauce with the drip, extra groovy. Yeah. Jordan